Hi, I'm Shelley Potts, and I teach 6th through 8th grade, both robotics and science and gifted and talented. I'm in both rooms 124 and 126. One of them's a robotics lab, and the other one is the science lab. So this is my favorite photo of myself. I've gotten to go to Space Academy for educators. That was a special honor. It's an international competition for teachers all over the world, and over 200 teachers get to go to the event. So I have friends all over the world from this event. I've also participated with the Texas Space Grant Consortium. I've taught teachers at NASA 4 times now. I've taught at SBMS since 2018. I actually moved to the area in 2007, and my kids have both graduated from Belton New Tech. And I have 2 dogs, one that loves to help me teach at home when we were teaching at home. One of my hobbies is Civil Air Patrol. We fly planes, do robots, launch rockets. We do cybersecurity and emergency services. So it's a pretty cool hobby. Rules in the classroom are to be trustworthy, show respect, and be responsible, and work towards quality work. We are in a science lab, so the kids are expected to not bring in food or gum or candy. They are permitted to drink water. The kids are expected to wear masks in this time of COVID, and we do clean up our areas and try to keep as clean as possible. We do have sinks to wash up, so all that's good and easy for us. I do tell the kids to remember, if the CDC changes their rules or the school decided something we're doing is not right, that things may change, to keep that in mind, that we're living in a COVID world and it's crazy and lots of unexpected things have been happening. In the lab, our first unit is safety, and then we do earth and space systems, chemistry, force, motion, and energy, which is a tough unit because they're graphing the force of an object. And so you may get a story like John walks to the store and then he walks back home. Graph it. It's not easy, but they do succeed. It is important that they learn that because it will be on their 8th grade test, and they aren't supposed to teach it again. So they need to learn it now. Our last unit is wellness and sexual health. We do have a curriculum on that. I do not add anything to it. I read straight from the book, and it basically teaches abstinence. It's the last 2 weeks of school. You will have the chance to come look at the curriculum. I encourage you to do so. It will alleviate your fears. Also, it does repeat over and over and over again, but it is illegal for a 6th grader to have sex. So this is very low key, no photographs or anything like that. So again, please, in the spring, when you get that chance, come see it. If you choose for your child to opt out, that is fine. They will be given a different assignment, and they will spend time in the library where that instruction's not happening. Grades, major grades are 60%. There's 3 major grades per 9 weeks. They include tests and projects. At this point in time, we have had no tests. Of course, this is September 18th. Minor grades are 40% of their grades. There's 9 per 9 weeks. Those include daily grades, quizzes. We have already had 2 as of today. This is how you can contact me. My email is shelley.potts@bisd.net. My class phone is 215-3098, and we also have a phone in a robotics lab, 3043. If you call those and leave a message, it does actually go to my computer. So even if it's a day when we're at home, it's possible I may be getting your messages that way. So don't hesitate to call that way. If you need to talk to me, I will call you back from a different number if I'm at home, but that is one way to contact me. The district has set up Remind for us, so that is another way to contact me. It's a website service that uses text messaging if you're not familiar with it, and it is on the internet if you need to check that out. Schoology also has a messenger that the kids can send us messages through that way. I am not tech support, so if you're having tech issues, I do suggest you try them. But if the kids are getting some weird message that they think I need to do something, please have them send me a screenshot, because we've gotten some new ones lately that we didn't know how to handle at all. Nobody in the building has even handled them before. So this is a weird year. So again, if you need anything at all, please contact me. Thank you so much for coming to my virtual open house.